Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting clips into a single project so the auto tools have material to analyze. Once your media is imported, trim any obviously unusable footage to save processing time. This helps the algorithm pick highlights. Make sure clips are roughly the same orientation and resolution for consistent results. Then tap the Auto Edit or Templates button to begin. Don't skip organizing, because order influences pacing and cut points. Now you configure how Capcut auto-edits the assembled clips. Select a template or auto-edit and then set target duration and mood. This directs clip selection and cut frequency. Pick music or let Capcut choose one with beat detection so cuts align with rhythm. Tweak transition strength and emphasis. Higher intensity creates faster cuts, then preview. If pacing feels off, reduce intensity and rerun. Small adjustments, change where to finish, play the auto-generated edit and make deliberate manual fixes. Shorten specific clips, move a cut, or mute and swap music. Once done, add overlays, titles, and color corrections to unify the look, then export at the resolution you need. If something breaks, like odd jump cuts, rerun auto-edit after removing problematic clips or lowering transition intensity. This usually resolves pacing errors without rebuilding the project from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.